2015 Honda Pilot EXL 8-passenger SUV. Dark gray metallic, pinstripes, aluminum sport alloy wheels, tinted windows, rear bumper protector, tailgate glass opens, plenty of storage, power tailgate. Well kept gray leather interior. Rear climate controls, carpenter floor mats throughout. Power windows, locks and mirrors, power driver seat adjustments. Heated front seats, dual automatic climate control, free 90-day trial, Sirius XM satellite radio. Premium sound system with subwoofer, backup camera, hands-free Bluetooth steering wheel controls, auto headlights. Just over 105,000 miles. Oh, and it's even got a sunroof, so come by and see us at U Cars.